China's vast and diverse landscape, the power of nature erupts in astonishing ways. Sometimes swift, sometimes sudden, and often unpredictable. Landslides and floods are among the most destructive and frequent natural disasters. These two forces often strike together, turning peaceful villages and city outskirts into ruins within moments. They are especially common in southern and southwestern China, such as Sichuan, Yunnan, Guangxi, Hunan, and Guizhou. These areas are defined by steep mountains, interwoven river systems, and unstable geological formations, making them highly vulnerable to extreme weather. When the rainy season arrives, heavy rainfall quickly saturates the soil. What seems like a normal rainstorm can rapidly evolve into a major disaster. Rivers overflow their banks, submerging villages, roads, and farmland. At the same time, mountains soaked by rain become unstable, causing sudden landslides. Mud and rocks pour down like a flood, carrying rocks and debris, rushing downhill with unstoppable force. The combined effect of landslides and floods creates an unstoppable wave of destruction. They alter river paths and leave lasting scars on the land. Rescue teams respond swiftly, but broken bridges, muddy roads, and flooded regions often force them to rely on airlifts or travel on foot through dangerous terrain. Every second becomes critical. Each moment could mean life or death. Those trapped beneath the ground or stranded by floodwaters must be rescued quickly before secondary disasters or new landslides strike. Many remote areas lack sufficient early warning systems before a flash flood hits. Only subtle ground vibrations or faint noises may signal danger. A quiet evening can turn into a nightmare in mere minutes. Homes are crushed to rubble, vehicles swept away by the current. Years of hard work on land are buried instantly. Many have no time to escape. Survivors not only mourn lost loved ones, but also struggle with shortages of essentials and unstable living conditions. Clean water, electricity, food, and shelter become urgent concerns. Many families are forced to leave their ancestral homes and relocate to temporary or distant settlements. Reconstruction is slow and difficult. Lives are permanently altered. Experts warn that human activity worsens these disasters. Deforestation weakens soil structure. Irregular mining and roadworks damage the terrain. And poor drainage systems redirect water to dangerous climate change is making it all worse. Rainfall becomes more intense, and seasons more erratic. China is stepping up its response by building dense early warning networks, installing geological sensors, and setting up flood monitoring stations. Communities conduct emergency drills to boost public awareness and self-rescue skills. People learn to spot early warning signs of landslides. Some high-risk zones have undergone full relocation. Entire villages have been moved to safer ground. Engineers reinforce hillsides and improve drainage. Greening projects help restore natural stability. Landslides and floods may be a fact of life in some regions, but with science and preparation, we can reduce losses and save lives. Let every disaster be a wake-up call. Let more people become aware of that. Because when rain pours and mountains tremble, only preparedness can draw them. Line between survival and sorrow.